Hey, what's up traders? The FX Hunter here and welcome to another video. So this is the USDCAD and we will make some deeper analysis. So let's start on the monthly. So what we can see in here is basically that price has been reacting and it actually removed this bottom of this previous demand zone. So this zone was removed. It has created this new zone which caused this accumulation. And from here we have seen this strong move that removed this zone, right? So that created new zone, and we can see this zone was removed as well, right? So potentially we have now the gates open, or the doors if you will. Basically there is nothing which will stop us to come into this previous monthly demand zone. So I'm thinking the price is going there. Let's go to the weekly and let's see what's going on in here. On the weekly, we can see that basically the price has reacted back down on this zone. So what we had here before was this previous zone, and here we have this accumulation in here, and then shoot up, which caused this zone removal, right? So basically once we know this, we know that where was this power accumulated, and we can expect the reaction on that level again, right? So we know that the price has reacted in here and then it's going higher, right? So what we have here now is this level, and yes, we had this sharp move from here, but not any previous zone removed, not any new low created, so nothing, it did not achieve something really big. So this is just the imbalance, that's not the supply zone, right? So we can expect some reaction in here, and I think we will, but it's not that strong as the zone that caused some removal of something, right? So you can see this fast reaction. So on the weekly it's bullish, however we are entering the imbalance. On the daily chart we can see that the price is moving in this channel, and what we will probably see now is that price will reach this middle band, right? So most likely when this middle band, you can see that, is reached, it's start to, you know, market at least slow down a bit, right? So what I'm thinking in here, we will see maybe some price action around this zone, maybe we will reach even this zone, and then we will see the pullback, right? That could happen, but we don't see that yet, so we cannot trade what I think or what is my expectations, but we must trade what we see on the chart, right? So this is a 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price is moving in this channel, and we are now on the top of this channel, right? So we had actually almost 3 weeks, it was actually the whole second half of the month, we had the price start to move higher, then beautiful reaction on the zone, right? One zone removed, where was the accumulation? Here we have the reaction, price is moving higher again, then we have again the price removed this zone, here was the accumulation, you can see the reaction in here, price continues up, right? We must update the trend line, so we have the trend line, and now the price is approaching into this top of this channel, and it start to you know, slowing down and consolidating. So here above we have this 4-hour zone. So if the price reach this zone and it start to do pullbacks, I will be start to watching it and waiting for some price action which I need to see. So what I need to see is a break of this trend line and break of this latest structure, right? So what I want to see is that the price will come lower, you will see some breakout, and then the pullback could be a nice signal for the entry and for the short down here, right? If we look to the COT data, we as well can see that the banks have started to reduce their longs exposure. So we can see in the past they've been 50k to the longs, and now as the price is going higher, we can see they drop to the 40, 42, 37, 38, 35, right? So we see the reducement of the longs positions, so the net exposure is actually growing to the negative, right? And we can see that the shorts are growing. So we could see that pullback, but as said, what I'm gonna do is I'm watching the top of this channel. I wanna see the structure break, so we need to see this structure, this low to be broken, as said. So we need to see this low to be broken, right? We need to see it to create this, and then even what's the best is if we have created a new low, right? So we have the lower low and another lower low, right? So we have a lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, and then pull back, and then it's perfect short, right? It's at highest confirmation. So we need to see as well this, and then where we're gonna enter is we're gonna enter on that pullback. So that's the trade I will be watching for. Of course, the trading is the probability game. What can happen is that the price will still continue higher. We will not get the structure break. So that means that this my thesis, what I am expecting, is invalid. So I'm not gonna have a trade. That's can of course happen as well. Alright, my friends, so that's it, and I would be happy if you join my Telegram channel, because there will be the updates for all of these trades, and don't forget to follow me on the TradingView as well. Bye bye.